Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do something a little different in math. We're going to do something called CGI. So we're going to tell stories in math. So what we're going to do when we're telling our stories is we're going to listen to our stories really carefully because I'm going to want you to retell my story. Okay? We're going to listen to my story, maybe take notes on my story. We're going to label pictures in my story. Just like in writing, we're going to start labeling in math. We're going to solve our problem and then explain how we solved it. Okay, so the first step we're doing is listening to my story. So one day I went swimming. I decided to go scuba diving. And when I went scuba diving, I first saw two sharks. I kept swimming and then I saw three more sharks. I wonder how many sharks did I see in all, right? So let's think of my story first, right? First, I said I went scuba diving, right? And when I went scuba diving, I saw two sharks. So what I'm going to do to my picture here is I'm going to circle my two sharks that I saw, right? And then I kept swimming. And when I kept swimming, I saw three more sharks. So I'm going to label my three here. And then I'm thinking, how many did I see in all? So first I saw two. And I know if I add three, then I'm going to figure out and I'm going to count. 2, 3, 4, 5. I saw 5 sharks in total. So I know 2 and 3 make 5 altogether, right? 2 plus 3 equals 5. So you guys are going to practice this on your own. Okay, so let's think about my story first, right? I went scuba diving and I saw 2 sharks. Then I kept swimming and I saw 3 more sharks. Can you guys practice retelling that just by yourselves? Good job. So now when I'm done, right? First I went scuba diving, I saw 2 sharks. Then I saw 3 more sharks, right? How many sharks did I see all together? I saw 5 sharks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to retell our story. The second thing we're going to do is label our story. The third thing we're going to do is we're going to solve our problem, how many in all. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to explain how you solve the problem, right? So if you heard, I started at 2 and then I counted 3, 4, 5. I counted up to 5. Okay? So you're going to see Google Slides and you're going to have to tell a story, right? You're going to retell my story. You're going to label your pictures. You're going to solve your problem. And then you're going to explain how you solved it. Now, if you can't write in Google Slides, you can just get a piece of paper. You can get a blank piece of paper and you can draw a picture, right? First, you could draw your 2 sharks. I can't really draw sharks, but you know what? I'm going to try my best. And then I kept swimming and I saw 3 more sharks. So I might draw 3 more sharks. Right? So you're retelling your story. If you don't have a printer where you could print this out, or if you can't write on the slides, you're going to draw it. You're going to label. First, I saw 2 sharks. Then I saw 3 sharks. And I know 2 and 3 is 5. I'm going to solve it and then I'm going to explain. I counted on 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to explain how you solved this problem. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.